What is up, you guys? Happy Saturday. I am currently half awake and half asleep. We're actually heading to a Cars and Coffee at the moment in Ocean Beach here in San Francisco. We're making things happen. I'm linking up with my homie Juan, who's got a bag 350Z. Hey compa, what can I get me one of those tomes? It's actually been quite a while since they've hosted a Cars and Coffee just because of COVID and all these guidelines and stuff like that. But hopefully it's a good turnout. I'm excited. We're gonna see how it turns out. We are okay. Little drift build. That thing is sick. Little intercooler in the front, drift setup, angle, little Camaro. Pulling up as we speak, and there's already a bunch of cars here, as well as a bunch of people posted up. This should be a good turnout. That thing. Those wheels, I swear. And I got another one out here. That fitment goes crazy. It's a little sleeper right here. Looks like all motor, NA. Slow projects, I feel it. I definitely feel it. Dang, look at that thing. That thing definitely hits the track. And then we got a little Shelby right here, a Cobra with a 427 polished expansion tank. That's sick. Corvette, groovy. I can see you in one of these for sure. The old school is the Chevelle. Man, Mustang line. Oh, this Ford Focus. No, RS. My bad. My bad. On bags. Troqueando cut. This is how it's done. Así mero. Look at that engine bay. I wouldn't even want to put anything on the back of this. Look at that.
Bro, 100+ hours on this.
This paint is flawless. Tucked and everything.
It's straight.
Wow, this thing is beautiful. So, what you start with, your result. This thing's sick. Dang. Check out this interior though. Look at that. With the center console. What? Crazy. And back to the engine bay.
At least like 100K on this truck.
What you think the retail on one of these is? It is literally a whole dealer lot out here. Come to Ocean Beach if you're trying to buy any whip. They got it all out here. The E46 squad, the 46ers, Alpine white looks fire. That thing's sick. The red goes hard too though. Can't lie. Then we got the little convertible. These are clean. Dang, a little Gallardo out here in the Ocean Beach. That thing is sick. Okay, my bad. On bags. Lambo rundown, engine bay, crazy.
Second week I had it.
And the interior,
Sat and slid all the way down.
look at all that.
And then they dented
with the yellow
this,
stitching.
and they scuffed that.
The yellow stitching along the seats too, though.
Don't put it in any more rap videos.
That thing's sick.
No.
Are they gonna help pay for it?
No, of course
And the
not.
cargo boot could fit a cool. What could I fit in there? I don't know. Ooh, okay. Little Porsche, fire. Dang, little GT4 at the beach. Oh, my brother. No way. Okay. Thought it was me. Thought it was me. This thing is clean. Center locking wheels. Look at those bucket seats. God, that tail though. That's my dinner table right there. This color is sick. Yo, those things are so nice. Some 21s. What? That roll cage. I would put my boba right here and my tacos right here, and I would enjoy the sunset.
Carbon seats, bro.
Ah, huevo que sí. Look, the perfect date. I have my cute date Juan. We're gonna get some boba, some tacos. Y mira. What more do you want? I'm telling y'all, look at that back carbon. Color matched roll cage. And the carbon accents all the way across. Center console. Look at those vents, those vented fenders. And then we have the whole Audi lineup. Not gonna lie, they're cool. I'm more of a BMW, obviously, but that color is nice. Cool little lineup of Audis. Juan, do you see yourself in an Audi? Yes, you guessed it, bro. This thing is beautiful too, though. But look at that thing. This thing is sick with the big arrow. Side splitter, yeah. The work wheels, the work wheels. I'm gonna have to borrow these for a cool day or so. Cool day or two. This thing's nice, but this is where it's at. Juan, should we take it?
I think so, bro.
Yeah, right? I'm gonna leave that Beamer here, and I might leave with this. Dang, carbon wing on stock wheels, and it's stick. You guys can't see, but trust me, it's stick. This thing is sick, beautiful. I had a feeling Groovy was out here. And then the Honda boys. Type R, everything's clean. Juan, where you at, Juan? Juan popped out. Dang. Look at these headlights. Talk about clear lens. Literally. It gets better. Full tube end. Full tube rear end. Yo, shit's sick. Dang, it's like a whole exoskeleton. Those fenders are crazy though. This thing is sick. It's on bags. Yeah. Damn. Makes me want to cut up my Z and do some crazy shit like this. I love the tube end at the back though, but this thing overall is crazy, bro. Come on, bro. I might have to cut up the Z and do some crazy stuff like this, bro. Oil cooler, Nismo front end. This thing's sick. This thing's crazy. Fender to lip, straight fender to lip. The fuel. This thing is crazy. This thing is sick. Yeah, I know. The wets. El Compa Flash came out to the meet. I heard he was hitting 250 on the highway. And Flash. Así te quiero ver, Juan. The RA is leaving. The two, only one now. Whoa. When they say LS swap anything, they mean LS swap anything. Dang. LS swap. This thing is crazy. When you're off-roading, that's what pulls you over. That is what comes after you when you're off-roading. Tilty boys. This thing's sick. Alright. Oh, want some HREs? My bad. Okay, some HREs. Clean. What would you rate this, Juan? 1 out of 10.
I'll give it an 11.
11? A huevo que sí? A huevo que sí?
That's my scale.
Yes. Flash of the Datsuns. Vamos pues, a ver. Un Miata, Cassie, that's for you. A GTR. But wait, it gets better. Look at those wheels. Yo. Color combo. The wheels pop. I would for surely, you know, be seen in this. Llegamos con los compitas de los Supras. Aquí nomás con unos Vogue Racing TEs. Ah, huevo que sí. Con el Aero Kit. Tumbado hasta el piso. HREs. Chee! And then we got my boy Omar in the SVT Lightning. And we got a McLaren. Yo, 2 McLarens. Supras are nice and all. But my heart is here. My heart belongs here. That I know, that front-facing turbo on some weds. If there's one way I want my Evo to look, it's like this. Dang. With the duckbill, the cage, alongside 2 NSX. This shit's fire. And the McLarens. Love of my life. Would cheat on that and that. And then maybe marry that. Ya se va el compa. Se fue. And he left his brother right here all alone. I for surely would knock myself out with this door. Pura. Look at that little side vent. That's crazy.
It's a practical car.
Practicality. Mira, unos corriditos tocando aquí. Dash hitting 140. And some boba. If there is a cup holder anywhere. There is not. So I would be holding my boba. Pero aquí andamos. Aquí andamos. Beautiful.
Thank you again.
What's the color code on this?
It's an MSO. It's a sapphire blue.
Sapphire blue, okay.
It's, MSO is the McLaren special order.
Nice. Ooh, how did I miss this? This thing is clean. A little S2K. Big wing gang. Fire. Hard top. Hard top, yeah, you're right, you're right. And then we got the legend of... Man. Right-hand drive. R32. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, it was either this or the M4. I couldn't really find too many of these, so god dang. Woo! On wet racing wheels, that thing is sick. Troqueando aquí nomás. God. Little El Camino. Fuck. Whippled. Oh, big tire? Big tire. This thing is sick. Yo, they got it all.
You don't see that hood every day.
You don't see that hood every day. You don't see too many of these every day either. The yellow GTR. A ver Godzilla. Ya estás in San Francisco? This 240 is goals. Algo así, something like this. I'm a simple man. This is all I really need. We don't really ask for much. Algo leve. This thing is beautiful. Unos clásicos aquí de Japón. Corona, digo. Whoa, yup. And then we got a kitty over there. These wheels. If someone can help me find these wheels for the Beamer, let me know. Those are so nice. On a Q. So this is where I was supposed to park. I didn't get the memo again. I didn't get the invite. But next time. And we got some clean. Oh, an R46. Yes, sir. I should have parked right there. So nice. Stop text. Lee. This is beautiful. Straight from Japan. It says, aquí vendemos tacos. But they don't got tacos. Look, the hard hat, right-hand drive. Oh. The mystery machine. This is dope. Take a little cruise in this. On some HREs. Some Volk Racing, I mean, some TEs. Subaru. The surfboard y todo. El Viro. You know más. Dang, look, okay. This is gold right here. I would not mind one of these. Straight up, I would. Dang. That thing, maybe next car, but I don't know. That's in the future. La Suki salió. Suki came out for the Fast and Furious meme. This thing's sick. Interior and everything. Okay, my bad. With the arrow. My boy Ronnie's leaving me all alone now. Take care, bro. Okay. Whew. This color right here is fired. Clean. The poor man's Ferrari. Woo. This thing's sick. Yo, if you want to go drifting, throw a little LS and turbo it. Dang, look at the size of that thing. Yo, what the? That thing's crazy. Size comparison. Yo, that intercooler, roll cage and everything, hydro, stripped interior, no dash. Yeah, literally full cage. strictly drift. On my way to... This car is mostly at every car meet. Tucking, hydro dipped engine bay, and the interior. Explain. They're transporting the little Subaru. There we go. All said and done. Ready for transport. Little Viper right here. These are like classics. I remember I wanted one of these when I was younger. Dang.
What's the catalyst fit?
Engine bay. This thing's beautiful. You don't see too many of these. So classic right here, Viper. The SS and the Viper. Man, this color. This is like the classic color. So classic right here. For the fans, let them know what Natives does. Woo! Clean. Man. Exactly. That thing is beautiful. Yes, sir. Sikema. Get active! Quick salute to the troops. There it is. Yup.
The cop.
Run him over! Run him over real quick. Run him over!
Whoa, 4 heads in the 4.
That's crazy.
That's like 4 heads in the M.
Literally. He's not. Goodbye. Goodbye, Subaru. Literally. That being said, we come to an end. Thank you for tuning in. Shout out the boys. Till next time. That is a clean Beetle.